Alright, how can we create a workflow with ZOHO campaign? Why would we want to do that, right? Well, basically to automate users, or rather the sending of emails, okay? So let's go to automations, click create my first workflow, and as you can see, we have different options here, okay? Let's select, for example, I'll send a message to my contacts and move them to my CRM, okay? We use this template, and here they're going to explain a bit about it, right? So if we fill out a submission form, okay, we'd select the form here, well, I don't know, any login form, right? The user will receive a response, okay? What kind of response do we want? Well, whatever. We'd wait about 2 hours and then push the contact we've received to a CRM. As you can see, they let us do a ton of things here, okay? The trigger is what activates the workflow, got it? Here, for example, someone has submitted a workflow, right? Form submission. But if we want someone to have taken action in our email, okay? Well, we'll select email action, alright? We'd pick the email, though I don't have any here, and choose what we want it to do, okay? The process is, once we've received the email, what happens next? Well, maybe there are two outcomes, A or B, right? Depending on whatever. Or we want multiple options for different emails, not always the same one. We want email activity, okay? And finally, the actions, right? For example, doing an A/B test, got it? They've done it all for us here. It's not even challenging. They give you version A, B, and the best one becomes the answer for everyone, okay? The option to send an email, SMS, or wait, okay? Add or remove scores, or send data to the CRM, which we had here, right? Create a task or push data. For instance, creating a task would be quite useful, wouldn't it? If someone's shown interest in your product and replied, a task to respond manually might be worthwhile, right? Ultimately, automations are for streamlining repetitive processes, that's all, okay? You can automate everything, absolutely. I think ZOHO campaigns might not be ideal for 100% automation, alright? Perhaps tools like BotPress would be more suitable. But if you're dealing directly with customers, they might prefer a scheduled call, you know? CRM style, you book a call and sell. Better than a chatbot that won't close as many deals, right? So that's how automations work. Finally, we hit activate and we're done.